Before you consider buying GoMoWorld, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, especially if you're already comparing it to other similar products out there. I've spent some time testing this product, and I'm about to share some crucial insights that could save you from making a decision you'll regret. First off, GoMoWorld offers an all-in-one platform that's designed to simplify your digital presence. It's great for businesses looking for a seamless experience, from managing content to interacting with customers. But how does it stack up against the competition like Wix or Squarespace? While those platforms are also popular, they don't have the same level of integration and flexibility that GoMoWorld offers, especially when it comes to e-commerce and automation features. Next thing you need to know is the learning curve. If you're used to drag and drop builders, GoMoWorld might feel a little different at first. It's not overly complicated, but it does require a bit more technical know-how to really unlock its full potential. Compared to tools like Shopify, which can be a bit easier to navigate, GoMoWorld is more robust but may take some time to get comfortable with. If you're serious about growing your online business though, this investment in learning will pay off. The third thing is pricing. You'll notice GoMoWorld offers flexible pricing plans, but what really stands out is the value you get for the price. Unlike some competitors, GoMoWorld's features are not locked behind paywalls. You're not paying extra for core features that should be standard in your subscription. This gives it an edge over others that nickel and dime you for basic tools like analytics or SEO tools. The fourth thing you should keep in mind is the customization options. One of the biggest selling points for GoMoWorld is the ability to completely customize your website. Unlike many of the more rigid platforms out there, GoMoWorld allows for detailed customization from layout to functionality. That's something platforms like WordPress or Squarespace often lack in terms of flexibility, especially if you're not a coding expert. Now let's talk about customer support. GoMoWorld does a great job in providing responsive, helpful support. It's not always perfect, no system is, but if you run into issues, you can expect quick resolutions. Compare this to others like Wix, where customer support can sometimes be slow or rely heavily on automated systems. And it's easy to see why GoMoWorld's customer service gets so much praise. The sixth point to mention is its scalability. If you're planning to grow your business over time, GoMoWorld scales with you. This is a feature not all competitors offer, and it's something that stands out when you're thinking long-term. If you start with a small e-commerce site or just a blog and eventually want to expand into a large online store, GoMoWorld can handle that without you needing to migrate to another platform. Finally, let's talk about integrations. GoMoWorld shines when it comes to integrating with third-party apps and services. Whether you need email marketing tools, CRM systems, or even accounting software, GoMoWorld offers easy integration with top-rated services. This makes it much more powerful than some competitors who either charge extra for these integrations or don't offer them at all. So, if you're still on the fence about GoMoWorld, here's the deal. You can try it completely free through the first link in the description. This isn't just any free trial. By using the link, you'll get the best offer and some exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you're serious about growing your online presence, this is definitely the platform to check out. Just click the link below and take advantage of the free trial to experience everything GoMoWorld has to offer firsthand. Don't wait, take the leap and see if GoMoWorld is the right fit for you.